Hello, today is September 14th. It's 6 o'clock p.m. Utah time. We're going to create a By My Honor account and validate it. So let's start testing this new platform that we're trying to create and give some feedback to the developers. I've created a Gmail. It's By My Honor 001. So we come to the home page, and I've already logged in here. Okay. The home page looks pretty good. I mean, the search obviously doesn't work yet, but I'm expecting we'll get to that last, if not least. So let's get to the process of making a new account. So here we will go to, wait, hold on here. Log in, sign up. Sign up. All right. We'll say my name is Dave001. And Dave, well, we'll just call it test. Test. And remember, this has to be your actual name. So let's say email. Got a couple different things going on here. By My Honor 001 at gmail.com. We have no referral code. I don't know if we have that process made yet. But United States is on top. What I would like to do is eventually I'd like to see flags for the countries, little mini flags like they have on the Skype server. And also I've noticed that we need to put Liberland. We got Liberia. We need to put Liberland in there. That will be an important feature. Didn't look like that was included in the list. All right, a password. We'll use the standard mail. Terms and conditions. Let's uncheck this for initial, okay? Leave that unchecked. But let's test it, actually. Join now. Whoops, there seems to be a problem. Okay, good. I'm glad there is. All right, so we have terms and conditions checked. Join now. Successful. Okay. So, according to the white paper, profile setup will require the following information: actual first name, actual middle name, actual last name, date of birth, gender, country of origin, email address. Sponsor accounts are optional. I did not see middle name, I don't believe. Let's go back. So I've got a first name, I've got a last name. I do not have a middle name. We'll have to correct that. Once the data has been submitted, an activation link will be sent to the email account provided during account setup. After the account is activated, the user profile will be assembled and set to not validated. So let's see if there is a link in my email. Yes, bang, activation. Okay, so we're not logged in. Let's activate. Let's see how that works. Fantastic. Okay. Remember me. Actually, no, don't. Okay, so here we are. My account number is going to be US 00000021. So I will say US 000000. So that's 6 zeros and then 21. Now we're in some sort of an edit mode, so I can change my name to Dave2, Test 2. I can change my email. So once I've created an account, it looks like all this stuff can just get changed. Let's call it Hello Kitty City. Utah. Job, worker, education, School of YouTube. So after I submit, this stuff should be locked. I'm going to throw a photo in there. Let's edit a photo. Choose a photo. We'll go with this one right here. Save changes. So that's my new profile picture. And make sure the profile picture is you, of course. But since this is just a test. And a video. We are able to upload a video. Upload a new video. You know what? Let's say I didn't make my video yet. Okay. Well, I did. I did make a video. We'll just use an old video I've got. We'll do videos. We'll use this one. And testing, validation, videos, upload. And we shall wait. Now there's these features here, video file and embed. I'm not quite sure how these work, so someone's going to have to explain that to me. Whoops, something went wrong again. Okay, so this process is, this stumped the last developers too. There are 2 other developers that were like, we can't do the video. I don't know what's going on. So we'll just go back. The video's probably not going to, obviously it's not going to work. We got to get that functioning. But let's just say we did. Let's say we got that functioning. Let's go back to the profile. And I have a friend somewhere out there. Let's send him a message. Compose enter his account number. US 00, oh, that's O. 000 000. I think 17. I think I'm 17. Hey, Dave. Can you vouch for me on this profile? I want to join by my honor. Send. Okay, message was sent successfully. So now that you're signed up, you got your video statement on account. you're going to go gather your documents that you need for validation, which apparently over here it says I'm validated already. Okay, interesting. That shouldn't be that way. That should be a 0 validation. Um, Interesting. Okay. Worker. Submit. So this is stuff that really should be done prior to getting a profile too, to be honest. Because once you have your profile, I want the information to be solidly locked in place. It should be like a step 2 to the creating of a user profile, or, after you validate your email. I guess this is step 2, but then it still remains in this editing mode. But anyway, this character here is going to log out. We're going to log out. Wait for Dave to vouch. So I think that was Dave Gmail. Yep. Okay, great. So I'm logging into my account. I'm validated. As admin, I attempted to make this 5 stars. I don't know why. Here I am. I'm in edit mode for my profile. And I tried to do videos for this account as well, and this is the message I'm getting. Not good. I really hope that can get fixed as quickly as possible. So I'm going to search a profile. I'm going to search. Well, first of all, let me go to my messages, right? There should be something to tell me I got a message. Inbound. Look, here it is. Hey, Dave. Bang. Click on the inbox here. See what happens. Okay. All right, so we're having a little technical difficulty here with the messages, I think. Interesting. Okay, so messages do not work, but at least I can see that I got a message. And if I had read it, I would search out this character's profile because he's someone I know and trust deeply, of course. Let's do that. Let's search out his profile. Search results reveal nothing. Oh, that ain't good. Yes, here we go. We got something. Kabang. Okay. It's a little slow, but we got it. I wonder what search algorithm they're using in this platform. So here it says I've got a validation level of 4 stars on this character, but there is no there's no validation to this person. No videos. We've got a picture, but it brings up my picture. Okay. Interesting. Send honor note. which shouldn't be able to happen because he's not validated. According to the white paper, oh, never mind. Okay. Send message. I'm going to send this character a message back saying, yes, I will vouch for you. Okay, so that was successful. Let's go back. Let's vouch for this person. Let's see how this works. This is the first time I've done this. I've tried doing it other ways while I'm on my actual logged in account, but really you have to go to the other person's account to vouch for them. So vouch, test, yeah, sure, getting into your ebook. Hey, good luck with validation. Choose an attachment, what the heck? I'm not going to even try to attach a video. We'll just do a picture. Do my picture here. Send. Do you really want to send voucher? 1 credit will be deducted. Now, I should be able to alter the amount of credits that are deducted from the admin page, of course, but 1 credit is good. Let's do that. Okay. What happened? Not quite sure. Let's click on the account, and nothing happens there. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, I did my part, right? I just vouched for my friend. I don't know why it does that. Why does it go here? And then you have to click profile. What it should do is just go back to your main profile page, like your main, like Facebook, you know, you go back to your main profile page. But this goes to that. I'm confused why that is set up that way. But anyway, that account will now log out. Okay, so friends have talked. The voucher is on his account, and also that account does not have any credits yet, too. So let's say it just bought some account credits. To do that, I got to go into the admin. And this, I'm not going to critique the admin page yet, but let's just go to user credits. So let's see. One of 18 out of 18. Okay, so. Excuse me. Users. All right, we'll go to users. Test Dave. Here we go. Edit. Show. Let's try edit. Let's see what we can do here. User role. Credits. Create credits. Gifted by admin. Gifted by admin should be up here, really. Gifted or subtracted. I don't know, something. But I don't think that should be under. That should be an option. Description is more for people who just want to text. Maybe all right, never mind. I guess I typed that in. Anywho, let's do that. We're going to give this character 10 or 100 credits. Then we're going to log out. It's up to him to do the validating. So by my honor 001 at Gmail. All right, so let's say I gathered my paperwork, I purchased some credits. Now this profile wants to get validated, so we can start sending honor notes. Okay, so vouchers. No vouchers available. Interesting. I don't get it. Oh, yeah, okay, profile. And let's try to send Dave a voucher from this account. Probably can't. I don't see why I would be able to. Because I'm not validated yet. A non-validated account should not be able to send vouchers. Let's test that theory. So US 123 123 17. We're going to test this out. Okay, search it out, man. Okay. As a validated account, there's no honor score here. There should be an honor score of 0 because I don't think we have any honor notes going yet. So I'm going to click on this account to provide a voucher. Here we are. Okay, vouch for me. It should say vouch for this account, not vouch for me, because that makes it sound like I'm vouching for myself, or I'm asking that account to vouch for me, maybe. Testing non-validation user. This voucher should come back as an error. Non-validated users cannot vouch for other users. Yes, okay. Not even going to bother. Do you really want to send voucher? 1 credit will be deducted from your credits. Okay. Okay. I don't know what I just clicked on there, but it brought me back to my... Look at that. That's cool, because right there... So check this out. This is exactly... Yeah, that's a nice solid profile. That's the way it should look when it's not in editing mode, right? No honor notes available. No vouchers available. So no vouchers have been put into this account, even though. All right. So there's an error going on there, or I did something wrong. I'm not quite sure. Um, okay. So we got a validation score. This should be 0, man. That should be 0. Go back to my profile. Now I'm going to go into should be, is there a validation? Yes, okay, validation right here. Okay, birth location. Let's say Schenectady. Upload. We'll say that's a document. We'll submit it. Okay. Identity. Enter ID. ID. School. Enter value. Enter value. Not quite sure what I should enter in there. We'll put 1. What the heck? I don't know. Upload. Let's use you. ID. Vehicle. Upload 1. I'm puzzled by this value thing. I don't think that should be there. But I guess we'll take that off later, I suppose. Because the admin people, they decide what the value is. Okay, so that is submitted. Profile picture or pictures. You. Is that all the pictures I got of myself? Come on. And you. Okay, it's good enough. But I'll put them all in there just to test the capacity here. Bang. And the video statement. Come on, you know this is not going to work now, right? Please. I'm wasting my time here on this one, but I'm going to give it a try. Crossing my fingers, maybe. Maybe each video location where you're uploading it to has like a different function code or something. Okay. We'll just go to the utility bill then. Okay, let's give it a try. Give it a try. Here's 1. Submit it. Crossing my fingers here. Video uploaded successfully. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so I am in utility bill. I can tell because okay. Back. Okay, so it says birth location, but I know I'm in utility bill. Everything says birth location. Weird. Okay, so anywho. Utility bill. Just cancel. Okay. I don't know. It seems like it's all locked up now. I don't know why there's a social profile in there. It shouldn't. I don't know what's been loaded in there. But, okay. You know what? Maybe I submitted the whole thing already. Maybe that's what I did. Not quite sure. So it's a little confusing, but looks like the functionality of it is really getting there. I like that layout, actually. It's not a bad layout. Okay. So at this point, we're kind of just waiting for validation from admin. But we can send honor notes. Testing, non-validated users. Does this work? Attachment. Choose an attachment. This guy here. 2 credits. Yeah, successful. So this non-validated account just sent a validated account, an honor note. Let's see what that looks like on the other end, huh? So what we're going to do is test to see if that non-validated account was actually able to process a honor note to a validated account, which is something that should not be able to happen. I'm sorry this is loading so slow. My internet is definitely not worth the money I pay for it. I'm using Comcast. They're ridiculous. Vouchers. I wonder if that voucher ever came through. Look at this. Here's a voucher. Okay. What I was thinking is maybe like have some icons of the actual account. Okay, never mind. There it is. Cool. Maybe like all this shouldn't be visible unless I actually click on the voucher though, because it kind of makes it look, I don't know. I was thinking just put the little facial icons in a nice tight little group or something like that right on the home page. Like maybe put that icon of the user somewhere. Let's see. Come up for me. Wow, it is slow. Painfully slow. Okay, so maybe somewhere down here is where like small little icons of the users that are providing vouchers should go. And if you get more than 5 of them, maybe you have like a button that clicks you to, I don't know, maybe a drop-down list or something like that. That'll be kind of like the substitute for a friend's menu or something like that. Okay, so let's try under notes. So I was able to vouch for a validated account as a non-validated account. It looked like the honor note went through from the non-validated account to the validated account as well. But let's let this load up for a little bit. I'm sure it will come to. Received. So this will be the first honor note that I've linked in this platform. And it shouldn't be the first honor note that I linked. So we have to make that somehow register as an error. A validation score is necessary in order to send an honor note. Pending 4 minutes ago. Okay. More. So, all right, I can't seem to accept it. I mean, it's there. It's pending. Ah, okay. So what did I just do? Interesting. Okay. I can't accept it. I'll accept it. Okay. So I've accepted the honor note from the non-validated account. Looks like it's working. Just not the way it should be working, but it's working. Okay. All right. Now, let's log out. Log back in as admin. And then we're going to check out the validations, the requests. Validation type. These are validations. Whoops, looks like something went wrong. I have no idea what that was. Looks like a Bitcoin address or something. Okay. Anywho. What is this? Looks like I've got lists of... Okay, interesting. So all this stuff created multiple files. Okay, I don't know why it would do that. I mean, it should just be one file. I can click on it and go in and just see everything provided by that user. Okay. So there's my vouchers. It does look like everything went through, sort of, kind of. I guess I go to users to validate then. So let's do this. Edit. Let's pretend I went in, I saw one file, opened it up, checked it out, everything looked good. I can validate you to the maximum. So, unvalidated, unverified, unverified, action. What's this? Edit. I want to edit that. Status. Unverified. It's verified. Submit. Okay. Okay. I mean, I see how this is trying to play out, but still, I'd rather have one file per user that I can go into and then click on these different verifications. Verified, submitted. Here's the video. I mean, it sent something, but there's nothing to it. Okay, well, we'll say verified. Two forms of ID, unverified. What value? 1. Didn't I just verify some of this stuff? Let's reload. Let's see what happens. I could have swore I verified some of this stuff. I'm going crazy. Unverified. Edit. Verified. Success. User validation updated successfully. Okay. Unverified. Interesting. Okay. I don't know. That's weird. So we'll have to definitely tweak that validation process. But for now, validation level 40. I don't know why it's 40. Okay. So this is all stating it's verified. Okay. So we validated him by myhonor.com. Oh, no, by myhonor001 at gmail.com. No, whoops, there was something wrong. By my honor 001 at GI mail? No. Thinking of my old Air Force email. Okay. Okay, loading up. I've got a 40% honor score. Now here's something that's interesting. This individual sent the honor note to the other account, so therefore he is the owner of the honor note. He should not receive an honor score of anything because of that. Owners do not receive an honor score for the honor notes. The holders receive the honor scores. So if I fulfill my obligation 100%, then you close me out positive and I get a point towards my honor score. So I would have 100% if I only have one closed out positive. 100% score, 1 for 1. Now if I have 2 honor notes, one closed out negative, one closed out positive, it would be 50%. All that stuff is right here in the white page, how that should work. How should new users' honor scores be generated? Score is based off of color and grade. Color denotes a ratio formula of honor score to honor notes that a profile has accumulated. The color system is as follows. Red, the profile only possesses 1 honor note, or has a grade below 40%. Orange, the profile possesses 2 to 10 honor notes and graded above 60%. Blue, 11 to 25 honor notes, completed and graded above 60%. Bronze, score must be greater than 60% and completed 26 to 100 honor notes. Silver, score must be greater than 79% and completed 26 to 100 honor notes. And gold, score must be greater than 79% and completed 101 plus honor notes. And then platinum, score must be greater than 90% and completed 101 plus honor notes. It's fairly simple. This is not the way it needs to be because this is just accounting for a sent honor score. But let's say we close that honor note out, shall we? We sent off an honor note. Now, by closing this honor note out positive, it should provide 100% honor note. Okay. Let's say I haven't accepted. David Weiss accepted 11 minutes ago. Let's open that up. Edit note. I should not be able to edit the honor note. So I'm going to close this out positive. So anyway, but as for editing the honor notes, you can't edit the honor notes once they're posted. You can add a footprint to the bottom of the honor note, and that will be like a credit, you know? Kind of like someone posts something on Facebook, it's got a main post, and then people can post underneath it. Those are little footprints underneath. And they'll be charged credits for that. But anyhow, let's close this out positive. Yes, I want to close that out positive. Bang. Okay, sweet. Okay, and to my profile, looks like I've got 4 stars out of 5. But I wanted to give it 5 stars. I don't know. That don't make any sense. Here we are. We can edit everything all over again, even though I'm validated. So there's still quite a bit to do with the user profile. Let's go to my profile and see if that changes anything. Otherwise, that'll conclude our test for today, making user profiles. Thank you for taking the time to look, listen, and understand. And signing off.